Hey friends, if you are asynchronous on Monday or Tuesday, then let's talk about what you're going to do. So we're learning about El Nino Southern Oscillation, or ENSO as it's called. So um, let me just show you what that is. First of all, I hope you did the global climate patterns check-in. That's really hard to say. If you want that to be open note, you can be open notes, but that's not very good practice for the exam that we have at the end of the week. So do that one, open note or all by yourself. You should be able to see your results right away. But more important, okay, I got a 50. Well, which two did I miss, and what should I have put, and why? All that information is embedded into the doc. So see what the answer was and what you should have put. And now you won't make that mistake on Friday when it actually counts. I'll use that exam grade to replace this grade if it's not so good. So here are the learning targets for El Nino Southern Oscillation. Describe the changes and effects that results from ENSO. That's either El Nino or La Nina events. So step one to get that right is to just define what it is. It's warming in the Southern Pacific Ocean, or is cooling in the Southern Pacific Ocean for La Nina. And so then you need to describe how that prevents upwelling. What is upwelling? Well, think about pulling a bucket up from a well. It's bringing water up from the bottom of the ocean. And as the water upwells from the bottom, it brings nutrients with it. El Nino is a blob of warm water that caps it. And so now those nutrients can't come up. The little fish have nothing to eat. The big fish have no little fish to eat. And so that impacts ecosystems, that impacts the fishing industry. And that's why those South American fishermen in South America called it El Nino because it always happens in their summer, December. So they called it El Nino. So you have to put the steps of El Nino in order. I'm not going to do that. You do it. So step one, uh, here's chunk A, like highlight what's most important. Okay, that seems important. Cool. And these trade winds, okay, trade winds seems important. So I highlight it. And then here it says, what's the title of this section? Keep annotating for step A. For strip B, come up with a hashtag after you annotate. For strip C, come up with 3 emojis that represent this. Once you finally annotated them all and interacted in that box that it tells you to, now it's time to put them in order. Oh, I can tell that D comes second. I can tell that A is actually last. I'll move that down. That's for you to figure out. Put them in order. I'll drop a video for you to watch to make sure that you got the order right. El Nino Southern Oscillation will be 3 of the 29 questions on the exam. Let's get all 3 of those right. Sound good? Sound great. Okay, peace out, Girl Scouts. Bye. Boop.